So let's discuss on website. A website is a virtual directory on web server. It comprises of all the resources that client requires. The resources for website are kept in a physical path. Either it is any physical path. The website resources are accessible by using virtual path by using a HTTP protocol. Creating a new website on local server. This is the process to create a new website on our local server. So open IIS and run inet mgr, expand local computer and expand sites folder. Right click on default website, select the option add virtual directory. All this process we will do in next slide. Specify the following details for website. We have to give an alias name and our physical path. Just click OK. And virtual path, physical path, go to website physical path and add a folders like whatever the images, documents we want to put it on our website. So just click on Windows Run and a pop-up will be appeared here. Just write an inet mgr and click on OK. An IIS manager will be opened. So just expand. I will show you from first. Just expand the local computer and expand sites folder. Just right click on default website and click on add virtual directory. So give an alias name like Hemant. You can give any name like you can create a physical path. Just go to E drive and UI tech. Okay. So I have created my virtual directory. So just go to your website physical path and this is our basic physical path. So create a folder like images and create another folder with documents. Copy this docs file into documents. So I have an image, car image. Just cut and paste it into our virtual directory in images folder. So now let us try to see it in browser. Just type http /localhost / our virtual directory name Hemant and our physical path folder we have created with images and our file name. We have to, what's our file name here? So it's very big. We will change our file name. Just car. Yeah. Car and just press enter. Oh, sorry, I forgot to write car.jpg. So let's write again. http /localhost / we have our virtual directory name Hemant / and our folder images / and our image name car.jpg. So this is the car I have added into my virtual directory. So we have a document also we want to see. Yeah, in documents folder we have a docs. So let's open it in our localhost. Documents slash docs. It's a txt file. Docs.txt. Yeah. Hello, welcome to this course. We are done. Thank you.